Asan po si Bim? Right here.
Bim, ang pogi ni Papa
Ba't
Jack.
may
mo,
filter?
mano. Walang filter.
May filter, oh. Wala. Okay. Whatever you say.
Ay, ang dami kong tigyawa to. You wanna eat chicken? You want chicken?
Okay. I will do ito na lang. Wash hands.
Lahat?
Hi daw, Mr. No Fear.
Why no fear?
Yung shirt, yung ano mo, sweatshirt mo, no fear.
Really? Kanina?
Oo.
I didn't read it.
Na-realize mo alam ito tapos na eh.
Oo, nakaano din ngayon. At saka lahat ng galaw din eh.
Hindi cute nga nun eh. Sinindihan mo na, amoy ano na. Ano?
Hindi ko lahat.
Oo, wag puro hi, send din yung stickers. Si Riza po ay nasa bahay niya po. Wala po dito. Hindi naman po sila mag-asawa.
Kuya, I can remove na my glasses. I have a pimple po in my ear.
Tigyawat sa ilong.
Tigyawat, hindi ka na mag-iisa. Tigyawat.
Maglalay din ako.
Oo nga eh, may filter eh.
Wala nga. Ito, lalagyan natin ng filter. Oh. Karap, 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 karap. Na lang. Ayan. Amor, thank you sa sticker.
Thank you, Ma'am Amor. And thank you, Ma'am
wait.
Tin.
Wait, papayabangan ko si Bim. Wait lang, wait. Papayabangan ko to. Palakpakan tayo for Amor.
Streamer na po talaga.
Judy and Shim. Woo!
Streamer na po talaga si Papa Jack.
Risa Kina
Ano?
Stinging.
No. Iba there's, high five nga. What's the other word for high five?
Appear.
Appear.
Yeah.
Di ba pinsan yan ng mansanas? Because it's a pear.
Ilagay ko dito ah.
Yes, please. Thank you. Ano ba mga bala ko kanina?
Knock.
Wala na, hala. I need more bala po. Joker si Bim. Knock na yan.
Come back to me. Come back to me, knock. Come back to me. Uy,
Kulit mo kanina, Bim. Of course.
come back to me. Wala, dead ma.
Ha? Dry ng lips ko. Hindi ako nag-lip balm.
Masyadong chika, speaker.
I had a good day today.
And that's you.
I had a good day today.
Ako, kakain ako ng marami ngayon.
Oh, I had a good day today.
Hindi ka pa nga kumakain buong araw eh.
Hindi. Ako I just made, kulit the writers lang. Kanta ka ba bukas? I don't know. Let's see.
It's for you to find out.
Pahingi ilong pops.
See, it's natural, di ba?
Yeah, in fairness naman, what's your fan,
Dabber Cats din.
In fairness naman mga Dabber Cats, si Papa Jack talaga, even when he was a bit bigger, matangos talaga ilong niya. Even when he was, 250 ka.
Uy!
Na
200
most.
lang.
Most.
Ka na.
250. O yan. When Papa Jack was 250 pounds, imagine mo, not super big, a bit hefty.
Kinento.
Pero pogi.
Pero sobrang tangos ng ilong niya.
Pero po,
That's the Salvador side. What made my day good? I hung out with with Yul today. Kasi he's always in barangay eh. Yeah, I hung out with him today.
And pinaglaruan po ako ni Bim ngayon.
Oo. Paano na? Tandem kami today, tandem. Ako si Batman, siya si Superman.
Ako si Wonder Woman.
Kasi tandem kami for the Gimme 5. It was one section me and Yul, and then the other section was Singing Queens. Yeah. So mga hindi na me?
Papa Jack, pasuya. Nakalinit.
Sa mga people who don't know, Yul such a good guy. Good guy talaga. Pusong Pinoy talaga, si brother.
Bagay kami siya.
Papa Jack.
Joke lang.
Relax.
Joke lang. You're making bakod daw kanina.
Oh, no.
Hindi.
I was just leaning.
Ano po yun? Talagang yun yung pagiging sweet ni Bim. Kahit kanina naman, sweet naman siya eh. Pero siya na po ngayon yung bagong kasama sa 7 Wonders of the World.
Tsaka I think Yul is happy also na we're similar in age eh. Paano si Yul? 20-something?
Not sure.
24. So like 5-year age
Kasama
gap
ka
lang.
sa alam mo ba kasama ka sa 7 Wonders of the World?
Why?
Ikaw yung Great Wall of Bimbi. Joke lang.
No, he's a very good guy. 27 si Yul. Yeah, so 10 years. Like isa kuya.
Tsaka si tropa mo si Ruel, di ba?
Oo. Hello, Kyla. Hi.
Oo. Masyadong chika, walang sticker.
Opo, para Papa Jack is happy. Ang fresh Bim. Yeah, walang filter. Walang filter.
Thank you, team. Gusto mo may filter? Kaya ko na may
What's kiss? It's like that
Very
lang
nice.
pala.
Para sunog na, pero di pa.
Hindi pa naman.
Sino ang manager mo, Bimbi? Ako road manager.
For 13 years.
You would like to thank
Jack Salvador for being my constant companion through this very, very, very interesting journey.
Oh, i-edit niyo yan ha. Charot.
Oh,
Mentality niyo yan. Charot.
Great Wall of Bimbi. Why may Great Wall?
Hindi niya po binabakuran. It's just that sweet lang siya. Huwag muna tayo mag-accept. Pengin mo na stickers.
Ba't ang gwapo mo, Bimbi? Why am I so gwapo? I was born this way. I was joking. Tulog po. Tulog. Sleep, sleep,
Kaya
and
pala
sleep.
wala akong tulog, so I need to sleep. Pero sana may magkapadala ng stickers pa.
Bim, please don't, I will never.
Oh, stickers, thank you. Nakita mo minsan may mga magbabagsak dyan yung malalaking stickers yung gagalaw. Shoutout natin yun.
Are you happy in Bulaga? Of course I'm happy. How could I not be? I'm working with very, very good people who are genuine. Opo. Walang
Oh, thank you!
Oh, thank you. Very, very, I don't know what that is. Pero thank you. So, nga ulit? I'm working with very, very good people na hindi peke. Na they're real, genuine people who, who truly love one another. Pamilya eh. They're like a family talaga. And I'm very, very glad that I was a part of that family.
May bago pong kantang lalabas si Bimbi, abangan nyo. Ang title, Huling El Bimbi.
Nakailang ganyan ka na.
Wala na akong maisip.
Oh! Ang galing! Wait, it might be sunog na may lechon.
Oh, may tumawa pa naman sa huling LBNB.
Feel it, inamin mo naman na if you like girls, you would have like 20 girlfriends na 10 anak.
Each.
Mm-mm. Kasi alam mo naman mga Dapper Cats, mga fans, Papa Jack loves so much eh. Di ba? He loves so much. He loves in excess.
Basta no extra baggage lang.
Oo. He loves in excess, kaya napupuno yung... nag-overflow. Kaya...
Keep on sending sticker. Thank you, Mr. Chinito. Alam niyo po, sa totoo lang, relax lang po tayo. Ayaan niyo po mag-enjoy si Riza and Bim Bim. Kasi genuine yung pagkakaibigan na kung makikita niyo naman po yung mga video simula pagkabata nila. Kung ano yung mga nangyari ng bata na uulit
we
na
have,
ngayon. Nakakatuwa lang po, di ba? Super nakakatuwa lang. Hindi po nagpadala namin.
Naka-filter eh. Hindi kita yung dimples ko.
Hindi naka-filter yan.
Okay.
Baka sabihin nila.
Thank you po for the... I don't know what that is.
Basta as long as napapasaya po kayo, as long as may positivity, as long as may, you know, good vibes, enjoy po natin yung bawat moment, no? Ganun lang po yun kasi maikli na ang buhay. Piliin po natin maging masaya, mabuting tao at marespeto, di ba, Bim?
Yeah, you know, everyone, let's relax. Let's enjoy the process.
Ay, wow naman.
Thank you po. Para hindi mawawala ang 13 years of friendship. Diba?
Kasi kahit balibay ka rin mo ang mundo, sa 13 years na yun, mahal yung isa't isa.
Yeah, most definitely. I'm not denying it.
Kasi maganda talaga yung samahan yung friendship nyo. Alam mo, tutuwa nga ako may little bossing, yung mga behind the scenes natin kung nagkukulitan kayo, no?
Oh, it's 9:20 na. I will eat. Goodbye. Bye-bye.
Kailangan bukas na nakakain yan, Bin. Ano ba yan yung ano? Spaghetti?
Bye po. I will eat lechon, chicken, rice, and leeks. Opo. Thank you.
O, sticker muna. Huling hagupin ng sticker. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Ma'am Ken. I love you.
Nirak, Tambok. O, thank you po inyo. Mark, baby.
Bye.
Okay na po ha. Kita-kita ko na po siya. Kota na po for 1 week. Next week na po